The airdrop I'm going to introduce today is one of the best airdrops you can do after Notcoin. This airdrop has attracted a large number of users in a short period and is also reliable, with good partners. So, stay with me until the end of the video. When you start the bot, you'll see this page. You can notice that this page has different sections, which I'll explain to you in detail because when I first started the bot, I was a bit confused. So, let's go through the explanations, but before that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. In the middle of the page, you can see your miner. With this miner, you can mine the tokens in this game and later use them to claim the airdrop. This miner is upgradable, and you can increase your mining speed by upgrading it or buying new miner. By buying new miners, not only does your mining speed increase, but your energy limit also goes up, and with every click, you can earn more coins. To buy new miners, you need to go to this section on the right. Here, new miners are shown to us, and we can buy them with two things. First, we need to achieve the required level displayed here, and second, we need to gather the amount of coins shown for each miner. Once you've got both, you can buy the miner. Remember, some miners also require inviting friends. These miners can help your mining in 4 different ways, and you can check them in each miner section. Now, let's go back to the main page of the bot. As you can see, at the top of the miner, it shows us the amount of coins we have, and above that, it displays our current level. When we enter this page, we'll see different levels in the game, and to buy new miners, we need to reach certain levels. To increase our levels, we need to go to the Stake section and stake the coins we've earned to progress to higher levels. To stake, simply enter this section and select how many coins you want to stake. For example, to level up to level 3, I need to stake around 100,000 coins. After that, I'll level up. Now, let's go back to the main page of the bot for the remaining explanations. On the left side, there's a spin option. When you enter it, it asks you to connect your wallet. Remember, don't connect your main wallet to any bot. I'll connect a wallet I created earlier. In this section, by spinning the wheel, you can earn various points, which are very diverse. Now, let's move on to the next section on the main page, the Cards section. Here, you can buy cards to increase the amount of profit you earn per hour, so you won't have to keep tapping all the time. You'll need to choose 3 cards every day to earn that day's reward. Don't forget to follow our Telegram channel because we post the daily card combos there. The next section you can see is the Shop section, where you can use tokens or stars to purchase items that will help increase your profits. The next section is the Earn section, where you can complete tasks to earn more coins and upgrade your miners more easily. Lastly, there's the Friend section, where you can invite friends to the game and earn extra coins, while also benefiting from their mining. That's all for the explanation of this bot, and I don't think you'll need any more details. Hopefully, we can make a good profit from this airdrop together. Don't forget to check out the upcoming videos as well because I've introduced many airdrops on the channel that are expected to provide great profits.